Welcome back to
सर एक मिनट अब फिर से
welcome back to the second class of Lingua Center. Yesterday, I promised I should come at 10 a.m. So I'm now here. Thank you, Nikhil sir. Peer and I have been sitting with us here. As the language says, we should study three things, and usually we do say in the classes while teaching in learning this language, three things are required primarily. Letters, 26 known to everyone, and then the words, and then sentences. As we go to sentences, grammar stands there, and here we first, thanks to everyone. Those who helped me in doing this online class. Particularly, I'm paying him thanks for cooperation. Nikhil and P. Rana, they have also done their best in initiating this. After that, those all the people who have cooperated with me and encouraged me, appreciated me for doing this all. Kundan Das, thank you for joining and appreciating. Kirti Kumar, Neeraj, welcome. Rishi Anand, Gunjan Pandey, Mohammad Aziz and his friend Shaikh, my daughter Anukriti, Dr. Ankita, they have also appreciated and encouraged me. Ravi Raj, Virendra Bharti, Suman Rumcha, Anupam Singh Rathore, Nirbhay Kumar Oza, Saurabh Suman, and many who have appreciated me in doing this. I am paying them thanks. Please keep watching. I may do something better. So today I am here with some words. These words are very common. Almost each of you knows it. Yet I have decided to start it because possible some of viewers may not have ideas about it all. Like one word is coming. Very simple word. First I am starting with words like this word. The word is aspire. So this you see the sound I have written. Possible that this word is known to you, but the sound is very rare because people living in Bihar or surrounding are not paying attention to the sound of the words. We are speaking as we find artists or other people speaking. We don't vary, we don't go to the dictionary, neither we go to some spoken English classes. Very few people are interested. So I have decided to pronounce or give the pronunciation of the word so that you may repeat and you can pronounce better. So this is aspire. Aspire is willing to do something or to have a strong desire to have something or to win something. Aspire. The word aspirant comes after it. As like he is aspirant of UPSC, aspirant of doing something. Now the word is assume. Assume. The word is assume. Like expect something to be true. So assume this is assure. The word is assure. And it is also spoken assure. Assure and assure. So it is spoken in two ways. Like I assure you will be learning something if you come here. The word coming with this word assurance. This is noun. I mean a promise that something will certainly happen. Like the word is coming abroad. The word is abroad. This is adjective. Abroad. Active. Having energy. The word is aloof. You cannot keep yourself aloof in this age because the age is of IT and we all know each other due to this social media and all. Like what is coming? Akin. Akin to. Similar to. Like example I am giving. A lady was found dead at railway station Muzaffarpur and her children were trying to make her get up and it was not possible, and this video was viral and Indian Bollywood star Shah Rukh Khan took an initiative and he donated something to them. I mean that incident was more akin to pity than to something else. So akin to means similar to. So word is akin, and now word is coming afresh. Like you see here, this word is akin, and now afresh. Afresh, we try to do something afresh. Word is afresh. Allure, the word is coming allure. Allure, try to attract by giving some impulses or encouraging us in some way or the other, that is tempt. So allure or tempt. And what is coming? Aplomb. Aplomb, that is self-confidence, self-assurance. This is aplomb. So for getting elan in your life, you need aplomb. We are doing all the classes for the sake of aplomb. When you are having ideas, that will bring you confidence, and confidence will make you speak freely. This is more important. When students come here, those who have been taught in government run school, they don't make themselves able to speak out. But when they are taught, they are encouraged, they are inspired. So now just they start getting aplomb, and later on they find themselves speaking well. So Lingua Center has been doing this for long, and it will be doing, and many of them have got benefits. So these all the words I'll keep continue. Possible that some friends will be getting benefit, some viewers will be getting benefit. After this, I'll try to come to Zoom that I have developed. I'll send link and the code etc. so that you should be in our classes and you'll be getting better experience of that. So this is all for today, and again tomorrow at 10 o'clock we'll be meeting. Thank you for watching me. Send me some message and some suggestions to make this class better, because this is for the first time I am doing, so I am not having very impeccable ideas. Still, if you encourage and keep encouraging me, I will be doing better. Wishing every viewers all the best. Thank you for watching me.